Since ideas don't become a reality overnight, it's common for teams to go through several cycles of ideation and planning to build something truly innovative. Conducting retrospectives after each creative session pushes the team to adapt and challenge the process to make improvements for future sessions. This gives everyone the opportunity to think critically about the areas that they struggled with during the session and areas that went well. A retrospective is a last stage of your creative session and would ideally happen immediately after your established action items. You'll especially want to do this if the session is multiple days, so that you can quickly make changes before heading into more ideation and planning. To save time, we recommend tapping into one of Lucid's retrospective templates or visual activities to guide an open and thoughtful discussion. Now, each retrospective activity takes a different approach to encouraging reflective thinking. It's your responsibility as a facilitator to choose an activity that will pull the best information. Things to consider when choosing a template are: what is the goal of this retrospective? For example, with Tori's Tacos ideation session focused on exploring new marketing campaigns, you might want to lead the team to reflect on how effective this session was for generating creative solutions and if they feel like their changes are sustainable. Or maybe one section of the session felt a little flat and, despite your best efforts, struggled getting everyone energized. You might ask the team how they might change things to provide deeper connection with the topic or challenge. Did the creative session achieve the goals you set out to accomplish? Even the best planned sessions can take a detour sometimes. Check in with your team to ensure the purpose of the session was accomplished. And if not, challenge the team to think about ways you can make adjustments for the next session. And finally, how much time do I have for this activity? Some activities, like the 4Ls retrospective, are very fast, and some, like the speedboat activity, can take longer to do. Read your team to assess their energy levels. If the session was really long and your team seems tapped out, choose an activity that won't take much time. When a retrospective is done well, it will foster stronger collaboration and connection with what the team builds. You might be tempted to skip out on the retrospective to save time, but it's key to making small improvements that could lead to making a big impact on what you develop. We've included some of our favorite go-to templates in this course, so make sure to check those out before jumping into the next video.